Hola, my name is Gabe Rosas. I'm a technical product manager for HCX in the networking and security business unit at VMware. We've been busy preparing for our first VMware Explorer, but I wanted to give a quick update on some of the things that we've been up to. So in the last week or so, we released two different updates for HCX. We released the 441 maintenance release of HCX. As a recap for 4.4, in 4.4 we introduced transport analytics. Transport analytics lets you take some baselines and understand the underlay that HCX services are using. So you go into an HCX project understanding bandwidth, latency, loss, and those conditions that ultimately have a significant impact on the outcomes that you'll get out of the product. So that was a pretty big update that we're excited about. Secondly, we GA'd the network extension high availability feature. We updated the replication engine as well. That allows us to modernize the platform's base functionality. So now we're able to explore some additional feature in upcoming releases with that update. And the last big update was the entire platform that goes from our managers to all of our data plane appliances. We updated to the VMware Photon OS, and that was a significant overhaul. And we did that with security at the forefront, right? So now we were able to work with the VMware team to get the latest patches much faster and focus on our own features. So this maintenance release is a large stabilization update to HCX. This from areas from migration and proxy servers and things like that. So there's some issues reported by our customers that we've addressed in this release. So for anyone looking to run HCX in the 4.4 train, we really highly recommend using 4.4.1 as opposed to the .0 release. The second thing that we did, let me clear my pictures here. Is we released HCX 4.3.9. So 4.3.9 is an HCX FedRAMP high compliant release that's available for VMware Cloud and AWS Govcloud customers. So those SDDCs can now use HCX to connect, to migrate VMs and onboard with a FedRAMP high compliant service. So the things to know about FedRAMP is these environments, they can't mingle with the commercial equivalents, right? So if you're doing a FedRAMP high deployment with 4.3.9, you can't site pair these HCX appliances with non-FedRAMP counterparts. So it's got to be either one or the other entirely. Let's see. So the 4.3.9 excludes the WAN optimization service and the OS assisted migration service. Everything else that is there is analogous to what we released with HCX 4.3. So the features that they're the same operationally, no difference. One kind of foundational behavior of HCX is the way we license our components. So traditionally, the manager appliances, they make a 4.4.3 connection outbound to one of our servers. That we call it it's the connect service. It's connect.hcx. So the connect.hcx.vmware.com is every commercial appliance makes a connection outbound to this service for licensing and activation. But in the case of Govcloud, as you're deploying your on-premise connector, this connector has the step where you would otherwise activate using connect. It's not done here, right? So instead of referencing connect, you'll point your on-premise connector out to the FedRAMP compliant SDDC. So that's the small change. The documentation accounts for that small difference. But otherwise, it looks the same. The way you do network extensions is still easy. The way you migrate is same as always. It's just additional support for this use case. So we're excited to have that. So just to recap, 4.4.1 is a big stabilization feature for HCX 4.4. HCX 439 is a FedRAMP high compliant HCX service for VMware Cloud and AWS Govcloud. That's really all I had today. VMware Explorer starts tomorrow. I'll be out there all week. Look forward to seeing some of you out there.